Good evening, guys. My name is Giga, and today we're gonna do something different. My father works in a winter service in the same company as I work as a plumber, and tonight I'm going with him. Right now it's around 0 degrees Celsius, but towards the morning we'll get to -1, -2, and the roads can froze, so we spread them with salt or a mixture of salt and gravel. This is our spreader. It goes like this and it falls on this disc. You see the disc, and it just turns. Sorry about the lights, but so the bucket is too wide and you cannot load it very nicely. On it we have 2 cubic meters of salt. So we are just gonna clean, and we need to fuel the tanks, and we're ready to go. So we have a motor to drive this. Now we are just driving around looking for some wet spots. So he's just going to check something. Here you have your controls for the spreader. With this you turn it on. This is your lights and another light, and with this you configure how wide it spreads the salt. We did 1 kilometer and our motor died, so we're just gonna try do a simple fix. If this doesn't work, we're gonna look if there's a spark, and if not, we're just gonna take the spark is. So if this won't work, we will just take another van, because we have 2 spreading vans. Moment of truth. Yeah. We will continue spreading. We finished our route, and now we need to empty the tank. So here you have how much the transporter adding the salt. This is the tank. We have this net, so these piles don't go on the transporter and jam it. Now we're just gonna empty the tank because the salt sticks and freezes together, and then you can't get it out. You can see this is a transporter, and it just moves the salt back and onto this disc. That spreads the salt on the road. It's around 2 in the morning. We're just gonna clean this up. When we started the night, it was around 0 degrees Celsius. Now it's -2,